Good morning, all of you. So this is the question. This is level 3 question, and here uh, the magnetic induction at O due to a current conductor shaped as shown in figure. So here they have given one diagram, and if you observe this, there are three segments. One is circular segment like this, and this is another segment, and this is another segment. Okay, three segments we have. Totally we have three segments. And one more thing, the current flowing in this conductor will be along this direction. Okay, along this direction it is flowing. So according to the question, here we need to find magnetic field due to these three segments. These, right, magnetic field due to these three segments. Magnetic field due to these three segments we have to find. Magnetic field due to these three segment we have to find at its center. Okay, now so let us consider, if you observe this, this is 3/4 of the circle, isn't it? This is 3/4 of the circle, and because of the 3/4 of the circle, so magnetic field due to this 3/4 of the circle at its center will be, let us consider B1. Okay, let us consider B1. So that B1 equals to mu naught I by 2r actually. So this is radius of this one is a, so that is mu naught I by 2a, mu naught I by 2a. And here this is this magnetic field for total circular loop at its center. So now it is a 3/4 of the circle, so that's why we have to write 3/4, right? So 3/4 multiplied by mu naught I by 2a. And one more thing, the direction of the magnetic field will be, by using right hand thumb rule we have to find. So by using right hand thumb rule we have to curl our four fingers along the direction of the current, and our thumb finger indicates the direction of the magnetic field at its center. At its center the direction of the magnetic field will be inwards. Okay, so this is first segment, and this is second segment, and this is third segment. And if you observe the second segment, so this is here, and it makes an angle 45 degrees, and it makes an angle 0 degrees. Okay, so here, so due to second segment, right? And one more thing, in this second segment the current is flowing along this direction. Here also, by using the right hand thumb rule, you are able to find the magnetic field at its center. Okay, so the magnetic field at its center due to second segment will be inwards. So that, so B2 is equals to, let us find B2. So that B2 is equals to, the formula is mu naught I by 4 pi d actually. So instead of d, in this question they are giving, this is a B and this is also B. Okay, this is a B and this is also B, right? So this is a B, and this one is also B, and this is also B. So that's why here I am writing mu naught I by 4 pi b, and sine alpha plus sine beta. So nothing but directly I am writing that sine alpha is equals to 0 degrees, means this is a 0 degrees, and sine 0 plus beta is equals to 45 degrees. This is 45 degrees, so that sine 45, right? And for B3 also, for third segment also will get the same. So that's why, so B2 is equals to mu naught I by 4 pi b, so 1 by root 2. So like that, for B2 also will get the same. So why? Because this is also 45 degrees, and this is a 45 degrees, and this is a 0 degrees. So sine 0 plus sine 45, here also will get the same. So B2 is equals to mu naught I by 4 pi b sine 0 plus sine 45, right? So then B2 is equals to mu naught I by 4 pi b, so which is into 1 by root 2. The magnetic field due to third segment will be at its center, that is inwards, by using right hand thumb rule, and the magnetic field due to second segment also, so at its center, that is inwards. Now the net magnetic field we have to find at its center due to these three segments, so that is B net is equals to B1 plus B2 plus B3. So B1 is equals to 3 by 4 mu naught I by 2A plus mu naught I by 4 pi B 1 by root 2. So nothing but this is B2 and B3 also same. So that's why 2 times of mu naught I by 4 pi B. So this one we can write it as. So if you take mu naught I by, so if you take mu naught I by 4 pi is a common. Mu naught I by 4 pi. If you take mu naught I by 4 pi is a common. We can write. So here 3 pi by 2a plus mu naught I by 4 pi is a common. Then 2 by b root 2. So this is root 2 gets cancelled out. So we can write it as root 2 by b. So this is what the answer for this question.